The sky had always written its messages in disappearing ink, but one winter night, someone finally dared to read it as a promise. In early 1700s England, the heavens were restless. A pale visitor had crossed the sky decades earlier, a blazing smear of light that terrified sailors, kings, and preachers alike. Comets were omens then, harbingers of plague, war, divine anger. They came without warning and vanished without explanation. No one believed they could be understood, let alone predicted. But in a cold study lit by flickering candlelight, Edmond Halley stared not at the sky, but at numbers. Outside, London slept beneath low clouds and coal smoke. Inside, pages lay scattered, observations from centuries past, dusty records from astronomers long dead. Halley wasn't chasing a comet. He was chasing a pattern. The prevailing belief said comets were one-time visitors, flung randomly through the cosmos. Halley questioned that certainty. He noticed something unsettling. Comets recorded in 1531, 1607, and 1682 shared striking similarities. Same path, same angle, same ghostly return. What if they weren't different comets at all? What if it was the same one coming back? This was the dangerous thought, the kind that could quietly dismantle an entire worldview. Using the newly forged laws of motion and gravity, Halley calculated what no one had dared to calculate before. He treated the comet not as a divine warning, but as a traveler bound by mathematics, an object with an orbit, a schedule. As the calculations tightened, the room seemed to shrink. If he was right, the comet would return, but not in his lifetime. He would never see his answer written in the sky. Still, Halley published his prediction. That single act transformed astronomy. For the first time, humanity claimed that the heavens were not chaotic signs meant to frighten us, but a clockwork we could learn to read. Decades passed. Halley died. Empires shifted. Generations forgot the boldness of the claim. Then, in 1758, a familiar light crept back into the night sky, exactly as predicted. When the comet returned, it didn't just confirm a theory. It confirmed something far more profound, that human reasoning could reach across time, outliving its maker. The sky had kept its promise. Today, we call it Halley's Comet. But its true legacy isn't a name. It's the moment humanity realized that even the most mysterious wanderers of the cosmos follow paths, and that with patience, courage, and curiosity, we can learn to follow them too. If this story sparked your sense of wonder, take a moment to like, share, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments what moment in history made you see the universe differently.